Morning, Edgewerx. Today is the morning of 30th January 2024. Sorry, 2025. I got this tool have to be sharpened. It's not that dull, but yeah. After it's been raining since yesterday, non-stop. Only woke up this morning to see the cloud is black. And it's gonna start raining again soon. So before we start, I'm gonna use my 1K Gritomatic, and after that I'm gonna finish it with my 6K Suehiro Cerax later. So before anything, I'm gonna do some cut tests before. I already killed the edge. Already dulled the edge. So just to put into perspective, it's dull. Same goes to this. So dull. So I'm gonna start with this. I think this is Charles. You can see the marking, but this one is for sure is a Galaxy. Yeah, Galaxy. The thing is, this is Charleston. Yeah. I'll start with my 1K Gritomatic. I might go to 240, but I don't think so because this is already got a nice bevel over here. I don't need to do any profiling on the edge. Only just need to sharpen the edge. Yeah, praise goes to all the places where the flood goes. In Bintulu, Miri, hope you guys safe, family. This looks like my stone holder is moving. Where I put my stone holder. I got a burr at the tip, the heel, but not in the middle. You guys be safe out there, right? Yeah, I got the tip. Still haven't got. Yeah. That's why for normal sharpening, if you have a dull knife, I would suggest use the coarse first, because it will make your job faster and easier rather than you use the 1K as your starting stone. Because 1K, it will take some time for the knife to burr up. I don't put pressure too much on the knife, but if I know where the burr haven't raised up, I'm going to concentrate on that. Now I already got burr. Gonna switch stone. Sorry, I got the flip side. I think I'm gonna put this here. More grip. Should be better. Okay, the burr. It's been a while since I do this sharpening, freehand sharpening video because I'm busy with all the works. Yeah, I know it's not. Yeah, it's pretty. I mean, fast when you have a burr. And suicide, it's kind of fast, but to remove equal amount of material, so I take my time on this side. Okay, I know that my voice will not get clear on the video because I'm not using any microphone or what. I hope you guys can hear me. Okay. Now I'm going to do my minimization pass. Minimization pass is where I flip the burr from side to side. Like this, I haven't flipped it, so this is what I call that, to weaken the burr, so that I don't have to do much on the deburring. This is some sort of deburring. Now it's raining. You hear that? It's raining outside. Okay, I already flipped the burr. Next side. If you have one more stone to go, this is not a necessary thing to do, but I like to do it so that I know I have to take the burr when I move to the other stone. If you are still learning, you don't have to go fast because I've already comfortable with the pace I'm going, so next time, yeah, if you are learning, take your time. Yeah, flip a burr, move to the other side, flip a burr, flip it until you can feel with one stroke, with one pass, you move the burr from side to side. Then you know you have weakened the burr already. Then you have weakened burr. I can see the splotches of metal on top of the stone because it tells me that some of the burr is shred off stone. Now before I do the other knife, I'd like to show you guys the next step is I will do the other knife. Maybe I'll make a little recording for that knife. Okay. Otherwise, it will take a longer time. You can hear the difference between a 1K stone and a 6K stone. On the 6K stone, it's smooth and quiet. This 6K stone is kind of soft, but I like it. Softer stone tend to deburr easily, and also the finish you got from 6K is quite polished. Depend on how long you put your knife on the stone. For me, I just do it to deburr it and to get some sort of, just to get the luster, not to make it fully mirrored, just to get the luster of a nice polished edge. I can go a longer time, but it will remove the tip. Remove the bitey edge. I need that bite also in the kitchen. These days I don't spend much on the higher grit stone. And I think it's preferences, you know. Some people like to have that polish. Some people just need that bite edge, that bitey edge. Okay, for me I'm okay with this. I can, yeah. If I feel it, I still have some burr. Just want to show you guys the edge. Okay. For here. Yeah. Before we stop it, let's do some cut tests to see where is the edge. Okay, I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna stop it, and then I'm gonna sharpen the other knife. I'm gonna stop recording and start a new video. Alright. So I'm gonna use the 4 micron and 1 micron this side. This is a diamond, 4 micron diamond. And also, if you have done your deburring step on your stone, you don't have to spend a lot of time on this drop. This strop is only for cleaning the remaining burr or what's left on your edge. There you go. Gotta wipe it. I can show you guys later. Okay, show you guys. Be careful when you wipe. Most of the accident happen when you wipe your blade, not during your sharpening. For me, it's for me. Okay. Yeah. Let's see some reflection using this. Huh. This is a nice color. There you go. It's not that shiny because it's focused on the background, but you can see the reflection. The reflection is not important, but if you are sharpening for people, your customer, yeah, they like to see it. Okay, as long as the knife is sharp, no burr, slice enough, it's all good. Let me take you guys. I'm gonna put it down. And from here you can see. I don't have the best lighting, that's why I like sharpening in the morning, because here's the window, my backyard with all the vegetation I have yet to cut. Right? Yes, thought I show you guys the dark clouds on the horizon. Okay, that's all you guys. Zulukilo signing out.